Race, religion, and reparations.
America has a terrible past. It was about oppression, and it was a very heavy and sad and negative speech. And you contrast those two together, and this is one of the main reasons why we are.
So what Thomas is doing right here is attempting to, however, if you were to give black people reparations in 2025, especially those who have the mindset of ghettoism, ratchetness, and the mindset of victimhood mentality, they will be worse off 6 months from the date they receive that reparation.
Racism